Previous vaccine is Aiper, Seagull, poo, vacuum, easy to clean by the brother family. Like, the link to the video will be the description below. Go in second month. So let's into this vaccine in 3, 2, 1.
E, what are you doing? You're gonna get the vacuum?
Yeah.
This vacuum does a really good job, doesn't it? Look how clean the pool is. Where's the hook? Oh.
Really clean.
Oh, and there's the vacuum. There you go. Yeah, go ahead. There's the vacuum,
All that.
Okay.
I can't have one arm.
Wait, you can just trade me?
Nice.
Alright. Alright, look, the vacuum's just waiting for us to get it. Nice. Alright, how do we clean the filter on this guy? Oh, cool. Oh, yeah, it's got some. Yeah, she's got a leaf, so not a lot of stuff. You know what?
Oh, that'd be a lot. Pull them out. I don't think it's out.
Here,
Only
hang
a
on to
leaf.
this. I'll get the hose real quick. Oh, I wouldn't do that.
That's holding at me at gunpoint, man.
I know, and this thing is real chilly. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. There's an accident. Oh, sorry. Hey, why you gotta be violent? All right, now you're getting it. I would not do that.
And I was shot. She's evil dog. Yes.
Wipe that off so it's dry.
Yeah, well, for sure.
Yeah, it works. So it's nice and dry.
I'm gonna freeze. Alright. Hold the camera.
Charges quick.
Oh, cool.
Well, thanks for the help, bud. I appreciate it.
That was Aiper, Seagull, poo, vacuum, easy to clean by the brother family. The link to the video will be in the description below. Go in second month and drop a like if you like, and comment down below if you want to see more reaction like this one, and subscribe if you're new, and click the bell to be notified when I upload in month. Bye.